aspiring pilots. I am Meghna Thomas and welcome to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I am going to be discussing with you about the Qatar Airways Multi-Crew Pilot License Cadet Program, or also known as Qatar Airways MPL Cadet Pilot Program. As you all know, Qatar Airways is a world-famous airline and this airline has won numerous awards. Qatar Airways was also named the Airline of the Year at Skytrax 2022 World Airline Awards. Qatar Airways presently serves more than 160 destinations globally from its Doha base, that is the Hamad International Airport, and we at Epaulettes Aviation are very happy to teach aspiring pilots for their Cadet Pilot Program course. The Cadet Pilot Program training at Epaulettes Aviation will include the following topics. We will have an inductive reasoning test. An inductive reasoning test measures the abilities that are important in solving problems. They may also be referred to as abstract reasoning tests or diagrammatic style tests. These tests basically measures the ability to work flexibly with unfamiliar information and find solutions. We have a software dedicated for inductive reasoning, so your duty as a cadet is just to practice diligently and you will surely clear this in your first attempt. We will also prepare you for your written examination for maths and English. In our classes, we will cover all the syllabus. We have more than 1500 questions in maths and English each, doing which you will be thoroughly prepared for these tests. Here at Epaulettes Aviation, we will be giving you notes and we conduct mock tests. Our notes will help you in the best possible way. And we also give you the most frequently asked questions which come for the Cadet Pilot Program selection examination. So, it will be very easy for you to crack this exam. We conduct mock exams continuously so that you will get an exact idea of the actual exam and the questions also, so that it will make your clearing it in the first attempt very easy. The next round of this is your computer test. Now, most of these students are fresher candidates and they find it very hard to clear the computer knowledge section. Our questions and tests over here will help you in excelling your computer knowledge. We include all the basic questions to advanced questions with answers and explanations for your clear understanding. We have more than 1000 questions on computer-based knowledge, and we will provide you with all the necessary notes and the guidance so that you can clear the computer test with ease. There are more rounds that will follow. About those, I'm going to tell you in my next video. So stay tuned with us and keep watching our channel Epaulettes Aviation. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!